DJM TV.
Kasala for Buratai and other air service chiefs as their matter don land for International Criminal Court. Correct greetings to you, my sabi person wey dey always join us for DJM TV daily news update, the one-stop channel wey dey give you breaking news and happenings wey dey happen around our surroundings for our country Nigeria here and even around the world sake of say we want make you sabi everything so that you sef go dey better informed. Matter wey we carry come today so na about the air service chiefs dem for Nigeria, Buratai and e counterparts dem. As their matter, e don reach International Criminal Court. You know say e don tell Nigerians dey say make dem prosecute all the service chiefs dem before dem remove dem for power, Buratai and the co-service chiefs dem, because of the many things wey dey happen on top human injustice and criminality for the country. So Nigerians don start to dey demand for the trial of Buratai and the other service chief for their alleged abuse of office and the other things wey dem dey do. International Criminal Court don direct news pipo say make dem contact a prosecutor for more details on the trial and the prosecution of the former military chiefs dem for Nigeria. Dem tok dis one through their spokesperson Fadi El Abdallah. The International Criminal Court say the matter of the trial for the ex-chief of army staff, General Tukur Buratai, former chief of defence chief, General Abayomi Olanisakin, former chief of naval staff, Vice Admiral Ibok Etek Ibas, and former chief of air staff, Air Marshal Sadiq Abubakar, e don dey with a prosecutor. Nigerians don tok say particularly Buratai and im colleague dem must appear for the International Criminal Court for Netherlands to answer for the several katakata dem wey happen for the country when dem still be service chief, especially the one wey happen for October 2020 for Lekki. We know wetin happen for Lekki, wey be like say youth come outside to protest say make government stop police brutality, but instead of the military to defend the people, the military dem, according to wetin we see for the video and the eyewitness there and some people wey dey for there wey talk the matter, dem open fire for youth wey dey protest peacefully. Dem no carry anything, dem no carry bullet, dem no carry stick, dem no carry anything, dem just sit down there hold Nigerian flag sef for the matter. And for that matter na many people call leg over, many people injure. Now because of this one, na im make Nigerians to say Buratai and the other people must answer for the International Criminal Court. They don write to people, don sign the petition since. Many Nigerians also to say Buratai and possibly the others, they must probe them for wetin they also call a Zaria massacre wey Nigerian army carry for Zaria for December 12, 2015 against some Muslims and mostly members of the Islamic movement for Nigeria. For that matter, at least 348 civilians, 9 leg over, of which 347 of them, army just covered them for one place altogether. Well, the Kaduna State government for April 2016 say 347 people now they gather together put for one place for Mando Cemetery after wetin they claim say be clash between soldiers and members of the shared set for the state. So as soldiers dey clash with these people wey they tag as terrorists, civilians wey also kpai for the matter, not be small, dem many, see over 340 of them na kpai for the matter, and they try to cover the matter, cover am, make dem for no know wetin really happen. The secretary to the Kaduna State government, Malam Lawal, Koto say when he appeared before the Judicial Commission of Inquiry, say the people there The government don give dem befitting covering for ground on December 14, 2015 for cemetery for Mando Zaria Road. According to am, e say total of 191 unknown pipo na dem recover from the army depot for Zaria, and another batch of 156 pipo na dem recover from Ahmadu Bello University Teaching Hospital Sheka. Well, Oga Bubu don tok say im don appoint new service chiefs, don finally let go of the former 4 military chiefs, and when he appoint for July 13, 2015. So Nigerians for social media, they don note say e no dey enough for Buratai and other military chiefs to be replaced o. Not just to replace them. Say they must go appear before International Criminal Court to answer for the criminal charges against them while they dey office. So International Criminal Court official Fadi don write on one letter, call give news people for them wey take court say all this matter wey we dey talk, wey we dey say they must answer for International Criminal Court. E say e dey for the hands of the International Criminal Court prosecutor. Say so im go advise say make we contact them. So the concerned Nigerian group also call confirm and say they don drag Buratai to International Criminal Court on human rights violation and crimes against humanity by the army during Int'l. The group for one letter wey they write, according to their convener Deji Adeyanju, to say International Criminal Court abeg make dem investigate, arrest and prosecute Buratai to serve as deterrent to other people wey wan make a point of duty to indiscriminately dey abuse citizens' human rights for the country. The letter wey dey address to the chief prosecutor for International Criminal Court, see wetin dey write for the letter. E say we call on the ICC and all lovers of democracy and human rights in the world to immediately investigate, arrest and prosecute Lieutenant General Buratai, retired, who was just relieved of his duty as the Chief of Army Staff for crimes against humanity and the Nigerian people. E can't go further to say we go recall say sometime for 2015, General Buratai retired, other members of the Nigerian army to leg over 300 defenseless Nigerian Shetim Muslims on the unjustifiable grounds that they touched a general's chest. That event has appropriately been tagged the Zaria massacre, and it has further worsened the insecurity situation in Nigeria. Shortly thereafter, Buratai retired, ordered the Nigerian armies to leg over hundreds of Nigerian citizens of southeastern extraction in the guise of searching for members of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. It is particularly noteworthy to mention that at the time Lieutenant General Buratai retired, ordered the massacre of IPOB people, the group had not been proscribed by the Nigerian government as terrorists. Additionally, we have been able to gather from the different independent sources that Lieutenant General Buratai retired personally ordered the killing of innocent protesters at Lekki Tollgate, Lagos on October 20, 2020. It is on this basis of the foregoing, among other human rights abuses, that will call on the International Criminal Court and Friends of Nigeria to urgently investigate, arrest and prosecute Lieutenant General Buratai retired to serve as a deterrent to members of the Nigerian Armed Forces and their civilian collaborators who have made it a point of duty to indiscriminately abuse citizens' human rights. This na wetin dey write for the letter to the International Criminal Court. And now because of this letter, the International Criminal Court don direct the matter don reach their hand and e don deal with the prosecutor. Say so, if we wan get more details of how the matter go, may we go meet the prosecutor for the International Criminal Court. Well, how you see this matter? Say they don carry them go International Criminal Court. For me, say anything wey dey worth doing well. If we say make we try, when they do this matter for Nigeria, me and you know wetin go happen. Say there be top people for Nigeria, and the matter go just die natural death. But they don't carry and go International Criminal Court. We dey hope say better go come outside and justice go dey served, especially for wetin happen for Lekki. October 20th. Na very sad one. Well, chook mouth put for dis matter. Make we sef know wetin you think concerning dis matter wey dem don carry go international criminal court, so say Buratai and the other ex-service chiefs dem go answer for wetin dem do during their tenure as service chiefs for Nigeria. But make you no forget say dis na still DJM TV daily news update, the #1 plug wey dey always give you better happenings and gist around the country. Abeg make you no forget to like and to share this video, and in case you never subscribe, abeg go hit on the subscription button there. Make you touch the bell so that anytime we drop our new video, you sef you go be among the first people wey go know say better don land for your domot. Well, me wey be dey see dey read this news, my name never still change. My name na still Lawuro Favour.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.